Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahrur Rozi from Class D, third semester, from English Education major, Tarbiyah and Teachery Faculty, Islamic State of University Raden Intan Lampung. This video I make as a paragraph writing assignment. Topic is a sentence that introduces a paragraph by presenting the one topic that will be the focus of that paragraph. The structure of a paragraph should imitate the organization of a paper, just like the thesis statement gives the main idea of the paper at the essay level. The topic gives the main idea at the paragraph level. The rest of the paragraph then supports that topic. In another explanation, topic is a sentence that summarizes the main idea of a paragraph, also known as a focus sentence. It encapsulates or organizes an entire paragraph. Although topic sentence may appear anywhere in a paragraph, in academic essays, then often appear at the beginning. The topic is usually the first sentence of the paragraph because it gives an overview of the sentence to follow. The supporting sentences after the topic sentence help to develop the main idea. The characteristics of topic are: first, signals the topic and more focused ideas within the paragraph. Second, presents an idea or ideas that are clear and easy to understand. Third, provides unity to the paragraph. Fourth, links to the purpose of thesis of your paper. Fifth, omits supporting details. To develop the topic in a paragraph, there are 5 points. They are: first, decide on a controlling idea and create a topic. Second, elaborate on the controlling idea. Third, give an example. Fourth, explain the example. Fifth, complete the paragraph's idea or transition into the next paragraph. An example of developing the topic in a paragraph, they are: first, analyze your working thesis. This is similar to creating an outline of the main ideas in the essay, as your topic sentences evolve from the ideas in the thesis. Second, analyze your pre-writing. This approach works well if you are still developing your working thesis.